we got an SVR.
Northern Westchester County in southeastern New York. Eastern Putnam County.
I guess the storm decided to intensify out of nowhere. What the heck?
Until 3:45 p.m.
Let's go.
At 3:03 p.m.
What the heck?
Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Peekskill to near Yorktown Heights to Nanuet.
Bro, what the heck?
15 miles per hour.
Alright, that was unexpected.
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Alright, what the heck?
From near Yorktown Heights to Nanuet, moving east at 15 miles
This is
per hour.
crazy. Not crazy. This is the first alert of the day. It's just a marginal risk. Hold up.
Expect damage to trees and power lines.
I'll be right back.
Severe thunderstorms will be near New City and Austin around 3:10 p.m. Mount Kisco around 3:15 p.m. Mahopek around 3:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Rockland, New York. Here is the regional weather forecast. For northwest New Jersey, flood watch in effect until 2 a.m. Tuesday. This afternoon, widespread showers and numerous thunderstorms.
That was completely out of nowhere. The storm decided to intensify. There was a special weather statement. That was FFW, bro. Okay, wow. Well, we got an FFW now.
Until 5:30 p.m. and 85 p.m.
Oh, it's not a KTC. Well, we got. Oh, this is our first FFW of the slight risk of rainfall, I guess. Wow.
Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are
What the heck?
possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Okay, what the
Some
heck?
locations that will experience flash flooding include Danbury, Southbury, Lake Carmel, Sherman, Newtown, Bethel, Brookfield, New Fairfield, Carmel, Fronstock State Park, Patterson, Putnam Lake, and Brewster Hill. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Putnam, New York. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for northern Westchester, eastern Putnam, and Rockland counties. At 3:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending
Oh, FFW.
northeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated
Alright, another FFW. This time it's from Mount Holly. What the heck?
between 1 and 2.
Okay, wow, what the heck now? Goodness, what the heck?
Northeastern Bergen County and northeastern New Jersey, Rockland County,
Bruh, what the
southeastern
heck,
New York,
dude?
Central Westchester County and southeastern New York until 5:30 p.m.
Oh, come on,
At
bro.
3:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing
Well, I guess it's gonna be a double header on cases 831. Let me get WXO39.
additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches.
Here it is. I can barely hear it. What the heck? It's getting windy.
The streams, rivers, emergency services or law enforcement. Most flood damage occurring
What the
National
heck?
Weather Service flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Bergen,
What the
New
heck?
Jersey, and the following counties in New York, Rockland, and Westchester. Flood watch remains in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon through this evening. What? Expected runoff may result in flooding and
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Rockland County in southeastern New York, central Westchester County in southeastern New York, until
Right.
5:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned
So
area.
many FFWs. What the heck?
Between 1 and 1.5
gosh.
inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New City, Ossining, Monsey, Nanuet, Ramsey, Terrytown, Suffern, Nyack, Tappan, Pearl River, Hawthorne, Orangeburg, Upper Nyack, Spring Valley, Valley Cottage, Park Ridge, Airmont, Congers, Upper Saddle River, and Chestnut Ridge. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Okay, why did
Most flood
KW35
deaths
suddenly
occur in vehicles.
go silent? What the heck? Oh, they're back. I don't know what the problem is. Serious right now.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30
Okay,
p.m.
now in this we are from Mount Holly, apparently.
4:01 p.m. A severe
What the heck?
thunderstorm was located over Northampton or near Allentown, moving
Oh my
northeast at
gosh,
15
what the heck
miles
is
per hour.
happening? This is insane.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized
Bro, what the
hail.
heck?
Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaged roofs. It includes
Oh, over here.
Easton, Bethlehem, Northampton, Helletown, Nazareth, Slaterton, Bath, Wellness Fort, Steuben, Ness, Brownsville, Jordan Valley, Bearsville, Smithville, Old Orchard, and Conshohocken. Thunderstorm warning. In Pennsylvania, Lehigh, and
What the
Northampton.
heck? For Staten Island. Wow.
Flood warning for southwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey.
Oh gosh.
Northeastern New Jersey.
The flash flood warning for southwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Passaic County
What the
in
heck?
northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond, Staten Island County in southeastern New York until 6:15 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newark, Patterson, Elizabeth, Passaic, Leon, Plainfield, Bloomfield, Hackensack, Orange, Bergenfield, Claremont, Ridgewood, Summit, Lindhurst,
What the heck?
Milburn, Rutherford, Secaucus, and Harrison. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.
Flood watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Tuesday. What? Flash flooding caused.
FFW.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Delaware County in central New York, northwestern Sullivan County in central New York, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Damascus, Callicoon, Cochecton, Hancock, Jeffersonville, Hankins, Stalker, Pembroke, Hortonville, East Branch, Roscoe, Fish Eddy, Hazel, Ekmanuk, Harvard, Corbett, Fosterdale, Rutledgedale, Livingston Manor, and White Sulphur Springs. This includes the following streams and drainages: Sprague Brook, Reed Creek, Big Brook, Birch Ridge Brook, Fish Creek, East Branch, Delaware River, Beaver Kill, Spring Brook, Carcass Brook, Buck Brook, Kinneville Creek, Rose Pond Branch, Tadville River, South Branch, Calkins Creek, East Trout Brook, McCallickson River, Alder Marsh Brook, Stewart Brook, Willowma Creek, East Brook, Ridge Creek, P Brook, Nebraska Brook, Laundry Brook, North Branch, Calkins Creek, East Branch, Basket Creek, Factory Creek, Calkins Creek.
You're call off for what? Hey, what the heck? Okay, bruh, really? That's great. Oh, it's for war. Okay, bro.
Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, north central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania,
Well,
Northampton
what the
County
heck,
in eastern
dude?
Pennsylvania, southern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania,
Okay, wow.
central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m.
What the heck?
At 4:49 p.m.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2
Hold on.
inches are possible in the warned area.
Between 1 and 2
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
amounts of 1 to 2
Hazard:
inches are
flash
possible
flooding
in the
caused
warned
by
area.
thunderstorms.
Flash flooding is
Source:
ongoing or
radar.
expected to begin shortly.
Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas.
Let's get WXL39.
As well as other drainage and low
Turn around. Drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in children away from streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. Heavily terrain knows hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous for heavy rain. Do not
What the heck?
flooded roads.
culverts, creeks, and streams.
Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to
This is crazy, huh?
or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers can avoid
Bruh.
streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding.
This is
to
insane.
local
What the heck?
services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Please report flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and
Alright, what the heck?
this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Well, this is insane.
Repeating, a flash flood.
Oh, hey! heck? That's perfect. Okay, what double header? Bro, are you serious? Come on. Another FFW. Bruh. Come on. Really? Of course that had to happen, bro. Come on. Another FFW, bro. Are you serious? Alright. What the heck, bro?
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches
This
are
is
possible
crazy.
in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Wow.
Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks
What the
and
heck?
streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stanford, New Canaan, Greenwich, Hawthorne, Pleasantville, Armont, and Thornwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county:
What the heck?
Fairfield, Connecticut, and Westchester, New York.
Alright.
The National Weather Service in Upton.
Okay, wow. Another FFW.
Southern Westchester County in southeastern New York.
New Jersey, Rockland County in southeastern New York, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York until 7:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stanford, Whiteland, Dorchester, Dobbs Ferry, Tappan, Greenwich, Harrison, Scarsdale, Norwood, Rivervale, Rye Brook, Cluster, Hudson, Greenville, Irvington, Old Tappan, Hartsville, Harrington Park, Northville, and Barclay. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
What the heck? Another FFW, what the heck?
4:23 p.m.
Oh, double header! PDS FFW for SSC. Alright, up 10 issue to PDS FFW. It's for Essex and Union. Alright, FFW for Mount Tully. And by the way, up 10 issue to FFW, that is a PDS. What the heck? Let's go. What the heck, dude? We're gonna get a double header. Because up 10 issue to PDS FFW, what the heck?
Thunderstorms
Oh my
producing heavy
gosh.
rain across the warned area. Between
Look
1
at
and 2
what the
inches
heck?
of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches
Wow.
are possible in the warned area.
Oh my, bro.
Flash flooding is ongoing or
This is
expected to
insanity.
begin.
This is insanity.
Hazard: flash
What
flooding
the
caused
heck?
by thunderstorms.
Flooding of small creeks and streams.
Low-lying areas. Some locations scheduled for flash flooding include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Fort, Emhouse, Northampton, when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in
Hold up.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. In the terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement agencies. A flash warning has been flooded from local emergency services or counties.
Oh, they cut off on KZZ31 and KW35. What the heck? All right, PDSFFW coming. Check this code. All right, PDSFFW. It's here. PDSFFW, oh gosh. It's observed and PDS. What the heck? Oh my. Oh, that was I heard thunder. There's storm. Alright, storms are approaching.
Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Thunderstorms producing flash
What
flooding.
the heck?
Source, law enforcement reported.
Flooding of creeks
Impacts.
Yeah, this is our first,
Flash flooding of creeks
not
and
first.
streams, urban
This
areas,
is our first
highways,
FF.
streets,
This is
and
our first.
underpasses.
No, oh my gosh.
Some locations that
This is
will
our first
experience flash
PDSFFW
flooding
of the
include
year. What the
Newark,
heck?
Elizabeth, Plainfield,
I have no
Linden,
idea.
Orange,
East Orange.
Alright, what the
West
heck?
Orange, Montclair, Westfield, Livingston, Broadway, Maplewood,
Alright.
Plains.
Westfield, Livingston, Broadway,
This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Wait, what? Wait, why is it saying that? It's not even a flash flood emergency, bro. Wait, why did it say that? It was not even a flash flood emergency, bro. Oh, that was weird. Why would it even say that? Okay, I don't know why.
the National Weather Service.
Another FFW for Brooks, Bucks, Chester, Lehigh, and Montgomery.
Urban areas, highways, plus. At 5:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy.
What the heck is it going on? Like, what is this?
1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.
Come on, WXL39. It's raining.
Crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross the road. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important that.
Bro, I hear WXL2s.
Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
FFW, come on. All right, another one.
Northeastern Middlesex County, southeastern Morris County, eastern Somerset County, and until 9:45 p.m.
Okay.
At 5:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.
Oh, possible tornado SVR? How? There's not even a tornado risk. State College, what the heck are you doing now?
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Well, I guess State College is preparing for something.
Thunderstorms.
There's not even a 2% of tornadoes.
Flooding of
Like,
small
yeah.
creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and
Yeah.
underpasses, as well as other streets.
Some locations that may experience flash
WXM 60?
Brunswick, Morristown,
Oh yeah, it is for, yeah, it's on WXM 60. It's for New Brunswick. Come on. Here it is. WXM 60.
To protect your life, be aware of your surroundings and do not go into some sort of road. Please report to the service and law enforcement information to the National Weather Service when you can
warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. Northwestern Bergen,
What the heck?
northeastern New Jersey,
Another one.
Southeastern Orange County in northwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 8 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Highways,
Hazard
streets, and
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
drainage and low-lying areas.
Source: radar.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding
flooding
include
of small
West
creeks and
Milford,
streams,
Wood,
urban
Montague,
areas,
Monroe,
highways,
Warwick,
streets, and
Sloatsburg,
underpasses,
Bloomingdale,
as well as other
Chester,
poor
Greenwood
drainage
Lake,
and low-lying
Pomona,
areas.
Florida, Harriman, Upper
Some
Greenwood Lake,
locations that will
Curious
experience
Hill,
flash flooding
Stony Point,
include
Oakland,
West Milford,
Montague,
Greenwood,
Woodbury,
Parker
West
Lake,
Haverstraw, and
Monroe,
Montague.
Warwick, Sloatsburg, Bloomingdale, Chester, Greenwood Lake, Pomona, Florida, Harriman, Upper Greenwood Lake, Curious Hill, Stony Point, Oakland, Gwinnett, Woodbury, West Haverstraw, and Mount Ivy. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Flood watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Tuesday.
Here is the region.
Flash flooding caused by excessive. Northwestern Mercer County,
Come
West
on.
Central Middlesex County, Southwestern Somerset County, Southeastern Hudson County,
In northwestern New Jersey.
At 6:26 p.m., Doppler radar
What the heck? It's raining. Storms are coming. What the heck?
1.5 and
1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain have fallen.
I think, yeah, it's on WXL 39.
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Radar. Flooding of small creeks. Urban.
Source, radar. Impact. Flooding of small creeks.
WXM 60.
As well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Somerville, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Rocky Hill, Nielsen, Clover Hill, Skillman, and Fleming. Turn around. Don't drown by encountering flooded roads. Be aware of your connections and do not drive on flooded roads. Service
public service when you can do so safely.
New Jersey, Trenton, Middlesex, and Somerset.
The national...
Hey, now FFW for my county. What the heck? Bruh. Oh my god, what the heck? I'm in this. Oh gosh. I'm in FFW. Oh goodness.
Bronx County in southeastern New York.
Oh gosh.
Brooklyn in southeastern New York. Manhattan,
All right, it's
southeastern
about
New York.
time.
Queens County in southeastern New York.
Let's go.
Staten Island in southeastern New York. Southern Westchester County in southeastern New York until 9:45 p.m.
Alright, now we wait.
6:34 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Wait, hold up.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
It's not
Source:
95.5.
radar.
What?
Well,
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jersey City, Yonkers, Flatbush, Flushing, Bayonne,
What the heck?
Hoboken, East Tremont, Bergenfield,
Alright, let's go.
Secaucus, Ridgefield, Queenstown, Manhattan, K Bridge, LaGuardia Airport, the Lozano Bridge.
Oh, it's on 96.7 FM. Look, 96.7. Look at that.
New Jersey, Flatbush, and Flushing, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, and Westchester.
GRO.
What remains in effect?
Some Palestine.
What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is to be possible? Where portions of
Flooding.
Haven and southern Fairfield, including the following areas: Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens,
Fields is more blind.
and Westchester. When and
And I'm curious.
impacts, excessive runoff may result in flooding.
What's in that?
And flood-prone locations, as well as along rivers, lakes, and streams. Additional details: numerous showers and thunderstorms with heavy rain.
Alright, we just got an FF station. I got the FFW. Come on. SMW? Oh my god. Yo, we got an SMW! Yo, we got an SMW! What the heck? Let's go! What the heck? We got a freaking SMW! What? That's crazy!
Impact, small craft,
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sandy Hook, Raritan Bay, Upper New York Harbor, Rockaway Inlet, Sandy Hook Bay, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Lower New York Harbor,
What the heck,
and
dude?
Jamaica Bay.
We got an
Voters should
SMW!
seek
This
safe
is
harbor
crazy.
immediately until the storm passes.
It's crazy how we got an
Wind
SMW.
gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected
What the
with the
heck?
storm. If caught on the open
That's
water,
crazy.
stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
What the heck?
The National
Oh, come on.
flood warning in effect from this evening to tomorrow morning. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Passaic River at Chatham.
Oh, river
When?
flow
From
warning!
this
Oh
evening to
gosh.
tomorrow morning. Impacts.
We got a river flow warning. Oh goodness. Passaic River at Chatham. What the heck? And I'm in a special weather statement. Bro, we got a river flow warning. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What the heck?
The river
We got a little river flowing. What the heck? This is crazy.
It will then fall below
my
flood
gosh.
stage just
This
after
is
midnight
insane.
tonight.
We got river flowing.
Flood stage is
KW35 is
6.0
gonna
feet.
take long to tone it. I don't
Flood
understand.
history. This crest compares
the
to a
heck?
previous crest of 6.4 feet on January 13th, 2024. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Hey, bro. Oh, this is the river flow warning.
For the Pacific River at Chatham from this evening to Tuesday morning.
You took so long to tone it, bro.
Monday, the stage was 5.9
Oh my gosh, dude. They finally toned
expected
it.
to rise to a crest of 6.5 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage of 6 feet just after midnight tonight. At 5.5 feet, open area.
Oh my gosh, that took so long.
New Providence, Chatham Township, and Berkeley.
KW35, what's your problem?
Portions of the Shepherd Collet
My
Park in
God.
Chatham floods. River Road by
You always take so long to tone Mount Holly's flood warnings.
6.5 feet. The central and
Like, yeah.
bridges in Chatham Township are subject to closures. Edgewood Road is closed.
Bruh. Hey, that was a fast one, bruh. That was a fast river flow warning.
Flash.
Another FFW. Looks like some mommy.
In Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northern Monmouth County, eastern Middlesex County, until 11:15 p.m.
18 p.m.
Alright.
The radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain.
1.5 inches of rain have fallen.
WX80.
Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Expected to begin
Flash
soon.
flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Listen.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include New Brunswick, Embo, Sandy Hook, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick,
Still thundering.
North Brunswick, Holden, Red Bank, Kingsburg, and Methuen.
Most flood
Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
surroundings and do not
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Please report
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Monmouth.
Still thundering, wow. W35's off the air.
Weather radio station is
Out of context, bro. Out of context. Why is KW35 off the air? Yo, what the heck? Why is he off the air? Okay, well, KW35 just got not fried. I don't know what happened. What the heck? Bro. Look,
This weather radio station is temporarily.
what is wrong with you? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Wow. What the heck? Why is KW35 up here? Bro, I swear. Why is it off the air? Okay, that was literally perfection. If it stays off the air for a day, then that means no more alert 12. Except on cases 831 and other stations. Gosh, what? Why is KW35 off the air?
Radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Bro, are you serious right now? Come on. Alright, let's check weather.gov. What the heck, yo? Well, that was weird. Oh, come on. KW35 just went off the air for out of context, no reason. Come on, what the heck? Did KW35 get fried from the rain? I don't know if its transmitter got... Oh my gosh, bro. It is normal, but it should be out of service because it's off the air right now. Yeah, it should be out of service because it's off the air. Oh my gosh. Like, what the heck? Oh my gosh. What in the heck happened to KW35? Well, it did go silent again, and now this happened. Just off the air. Would you look at that? We have an SVR from Mount Holly, from Maryland. Okay, when is KW35 coming back? I don't know what happened to its transmitter. Its transmitter probably got fried from the rain, I think. I'm not sure. What the... It still says normal. It's supposed to be out of service because it's off the air. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Wait, did the Empire State Building lose power? I have no idea. I don't get it. Wow. Okay, wow. That's great. Literal fantastic.
This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is
What the heck, bruh?
Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest
Goodness.
weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily
I have no idea what happened. It's still off the air. It still says normal, bruh. Okay, well, I think KW35's transmitter got fried from the rain. I don't know. What the heck happened?
Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio
Goodness.
station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily
The antenna may be affected by numerous structures or bodies of water. I think the antenna is being affected by bodies of water. I'm pretty sure. I think that's happening right now. Hold up. I'm sending this to Discord.
This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the
Gosh.
latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast.
I think it's being affected by bodies of water. I think that's what's happening. I'm pretty sure.
This weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
Goodness.
Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit
Oh my,
weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is
Alright, sorry if I paused the video because I sneezed. It still says normal. It's not supposed to say normal. Bro, I have a feeling it's going to remain off the air for we got an SVR for Philadelphia.
Northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey. Northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey. Southeastern Bucks County
Yes,
in
for
southeastern
Philadelphia.
Pennsylvania. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m.
Oh wait, no, it's FFW, not an SVR. I'm wrong. That one is. I thought it was an SVR, but no.
In the warned area.
It's on WXL39.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
This tropo's starting to get a little quick
Flash
high.
flooding caused by thunderstorms. Lows in the
Flooding includes Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Salem, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Riverside, Palmyra, Hatboro, Jackson, Beverly. Turn around. Near the road. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request for information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Allentown, light rain was falling.